Sing hello, hello, hello to you.
It's craft time! You don't have to leave home to participate in our LoveBug craft class. Join me, Miss Lexi, in a live streaming musical craft class featuring LoveBug and me favorites.
After this for my grandma, but I didn't know that you were gonna do this one. What?
We will send a curated craft kit to your home containing all you need to complete 4 fun crafts, plus a special coloring page.
Yeah, with red things.
With the red squares.
I will guide you and your child in creating each craft, step by step. And don't worry if you need some extra time to complete the crafts, because we will send you a recorded version of the class as well. Children ages 1 to 6 can create at their own level. Younger LoveBugs will require grown-up help, while older kids can usually participate on their own.
Hi, friends! It's me, LoveBug!
Purchase your craft class and kit combo at lovebugandme.com. Let's get crafting!